Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you a super easy tutorial on how to make these beautiful pumpkin cookies. I was inspired by a glass pumpkin that I saw on Instagram, and now let's get started with the tutorial. I'm going to start by dividing each cookie into sections using edible marker. To create a unique marbled design on the pumpkins, we're going to wrap the icing into either cling wrap or press and seal. I'm layering different colors, and I'm using icing that is about 15-second consistency. And you can really play with this technique and use a variety of different colors. Even 2 or 3 colors would be great. I know this looks like taco when you're folding it up. I'm going to tie the end, trim the other side, and then you can put that in a piping bag. Here I'm just gonna show you different color combinations I did. And here comes the fun part. Start by outlining middle section, and then you're gonna go up and down like so. Try to go as close to the previous line as you can, and then if needed you can use the needle tool to very lightly move the icing. Let it crust, and then you can add the remaining sections. I'm going to let it crust and then we can add the stem. I'm using brown royal icing to make the stem. And my icing is about 15 to 20 second consistency. You want the icing to be slightly thicker than 15, so somewhere between is fine. Let all the stems dry, and then we're going to paint them with luster dust mixed with some lemon extract. And here are the finished pumpkins inspired by a glass pumpkin design. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.